Amy's channel. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And also follow us on Instagram at Naturally Mature One.
Hey Natural Divas, it is I, the Naturally Mature One, coming to you with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. And if you would like to see what I'm about to unbox, continue to watch. Alright guys, I am back. First I would like to say thank you for your likes, your shares, your comments, and all the support I have gotten from you all. If you are new to my channel and you have checked out some of the videos and like the content that you're seeing, hit the subscription button down there. Excuse me guys, the subscription button down there and the notification bell, and come and join this family. I try to do a video once a week. I'm not always be consistent, and I'm going to get better with this because I mean I've made little changes I want to make for myself. So if you are new here and you like what you're seeing, just go ahead and hit the subscription button. Free, come on, it's free. Free 99, as they say. Free 99. That's all it costs. Free 99. Your time, that's all it costs. Just go and click it. Help a sister out. Alright, so guys, today I'm going to do my unboxing of my monthly Boxycharm. For those who don't know what Boxycharm is a subscription that is done monthly. It costs $25 for the basic box and $35 for the premium box, and then $50 or $49 for the Luxy box. Now the base box comes once a month, the premium box can come once a month, and the Luxy box comes every 3 months. So I am a person that get the base box and I get the Luxy box. In these boxes you'll get makeup, skincare, hair care, and it's a lot of nice stuff that's in these boxes. And it's not cheap stuff, it's really expensive stuff that sometimes I wouldn't even brought, but thank the Lord I got this, and I go ahead and use my Boxycharm. Let me move up a little bit guys, and I go ahead and use my Boxycharm, get it out my Boxycharm. I'm going to tell you, Elements, I would have never thought to buy Elements products, but I have fallen in love with Elements. Everything I've used at Elements I have loved. I'm trying to think. Mermaid is another thing I would have never brought because it's kind of expensive, but it is worth the coins. I will be buying that from now on when it comes to eye creams. I have gotten La Mercier in there. I've gotten Tarte. No, not La Mercier, I'm sorry. I've gotten Tarte. I've gotten Becca. I mean, really some nice stuff in my box. I mean, and really nice expensive stuff, because really it costs $25, but you get $125 worth of product in your box. Can't beat it. Cannot beat it. Best subscription box I've ever had. Have not been disappointed, not one time. So this is the month of May box. I got it day for yesterday, I'm thinking, and I wanted to come share it with you all. Let you see what I got at it. When you open it up, it say hello charmer, and then inside you get a little card here that lets you know what type of theme it is. And this one is Mother Nature, packed with love and gloves of love. I don't know what that means. You get 5 to 6 items in your Boxycharm base box, and I'm already happy with what I'm seeing down here right now, because I'm going to start right now. Alright, the first thing you get is a Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovering Face Mask, and that is this. Bam. Okay, guys, this is expensive. I know that for a fact this is expensive. I've seen it in other stores, online. Oh my God, I'm so glad I got it. And also you get to choose which ones you want to, like you get to choose one product in your box for each month if you go online. Oh, I can't wait to use this. It's a creamy, nutrient-dense smoothing mask with antioxidant-rich berries and probiotic that instantly boosts skin's health, restore radiance, and balance skin. MSRP $49. I knew it was expensive. I saw it somewhere else. I said, I want to try it, and now I get to try it. Glam Glow Berry Glow. Can't wait to try it. Alright, that's the first item. The second thing they give you on here is the Haas Laboratories liquid eyeliner. Lay down the line with a swing of our long-wearing liquid eyeliner. The superfine flexible tip guides your line without tugging or flaking for stubble to bold precision that won't skip a beat. MSRP $20. Alright, let's see. Oh, I'm really already loving it. Already loving this pen. Oh, look at that, guys. Can you see that? Let's see. Oh, you come on so fine. Oh, yes. Loving this pen already. We'll be using it. $20. MSRP $20. That's something I could buy if I really like it. Because you think a liquid liner lasts a long time. An eyeliner lasts a little while. I like that. Alright. Tresqueak. I'm probably saying this wrong. Tresqueak or whatever. Tresque. I don't know. But this is it. I might be saying wrong. Butchering it up. If not, just tell me how to say it in my comment section, guys. But this is a concealer pen, a concealer crayon, cover and concealer crayon. Finally, you can have extra smooth, easy glide application with full, flexible coverage and a lightweight feel that's ultra creamy, long-lasting formula, takes coverage and corrections to a new level. Okay, I could use that as a concealer. Oh, it's a magnify. It's a magnet to it. Look. Ah! And on the back end is a sponge. Oh, I like that. And this MSRP for $24. Like this. And this is how it looks on my skin. I can use this as around my around my lashes or under eyes. So I can see me using this. Highlight it. And this is Toffee. Conceal, cover, correct crayon in the color of Toffee. Toffee. I like that. Like that. Alright, next thing on the list is Appeal Cosmetic Ultra Cream Lipstick. Appeal. I have never had Appeal before, and it is wrapped in cellophane, you guys, and I mean it is, there we go, tight as can be. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I like the one. It reminds me of the Maybelline, yeah, the Maybelline line liquid lipsticks. Let's see. Oh, I like this color. It's something I would wear. The color of this one is Naked. Ah! That's pretty. I like that. Naked. So that's cute. I think I'll be wearing that. This is retail price $21. Like that. Alright, and the next thing is Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. The ultimate lazy girl hack. This micellar water is a gentle, no-rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long-wear makeup, excess oils, and impurities without stripping your skin naturally moisture. MSRP $18. And this is the last thing in the box. So let's see. Let's open it up. High Performance Naturals Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. Alright, I love the packaging. This is pretty packaging. Sample not for sale. Let's see. Okay, got the one in here. Let's open it up. Oh, I like them. When you put your little thing in, just push down and it comes up on there. I like that. Use this mess-free, no-rinse, micellar cleansing water anytime, anywhere. Saturate a cotton pad and apply the skin on the go after a gym or to remove that full face of makeup you worked so hard on. This baby cleanses without stripping your skin and making a mess of your sink. I like this. $18, guys. Cruelty free and vegan by Tarte. Love it. Love it and love it. Alright, guys. So all together, this box what came up to, remember, for $25, I've gotten, let's see how much. Let's add it up. Alright, my calculator. Look at my calculator. Alright, 18 for Tarte. 18 for Tarte. Appeal Cosmetic lipstick was 21. That was this. The Tresrique whatever cover concealer is here, which was 24. The House Laboratory eyeliner, which was 20. And the Glam Glow Berry cream, probiotic cream face mask was 49. Total of $132. Can you see that, guys? 132 for $25. Can't beat it, can't beat it, can't beat it. Boxycharm has never let me down. Never let me down. Hey, it's never let me down. Hey, let me stop. But these are the products. I love these boxes. I can't wait till when they come in the mail. I have used every product. And then if I something I can't use, I always give them away to somebody else, because they're so, I mean, they're good quality products. It's not those cheap stuff that you might find at any drugstore or something like that. Majority of the products are stuff you will find at a high dollar store. So I love it. I love it. I love it. I love my Boxycharm. So if you saw anything you like in here, check out Boxycharm. As they say, their website is boxycharm.com, and then they got @Boxycharm and #Boxycharm on Instagram. Also, guys, I wanted to share with you all, my son, my oldest son, during this time of where we've been stuck in the house and, you know, trying to figure life out, he is an essential worker who's also trying to make some income, side income, where he decided he was making gifts for a family, but then end up making gifts for others. Now he's selling bracelets. It's called Amani Peaces, and I will put the link down at the bottom to his Instagram page and his Facebook page. He made me this wonderful bracelet that has the baby footsteps on it for Mother's Day, a queen crown, his piece that says Amani Peaces, and then a heart with mom on it. So I really love this bracelet. It's one of my favorites now. I love it. And then because I'm a breast cancer awareness person, or breast cancer survivor, he made me a breast cancer bracelet with like a light pink beads and the breast cancer awareness pin on it, and I really love it. They run, I think, $15 or more, and they're really reasonable. You can't beat the price. I mean, these are really nice bracelets. I love it. I also have another one he gave me. Hold on, let me grab it. It matches my husband. It is where I'm the queen and he has the king on his. So I love this one too. You just roll it on up. These are my favorite little bracelets now. I just love them. Check them out. I'll put the link down at the bottom of my page. It's called Amani Peaces. Great guy. My son is, I know I'm just being biased because he's my baby, but hey, he's a great guy. He's doing great things. Support him. Black owned entrepreneur trying to do his thing, trying to support his family. So this one is my favorite though. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. So thank you for your love and support. Remember, I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers, y'all. Help a sister out. Share my page. Share my page. Share my page with others. Come on, peoples. Come on, come on. And if you are looking at my videos and watching more than one, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Come on, sis. Come on, bro. Hit the subscribe button. Hit it. It don't cost you. It's free 99. Free 99. I heard somebody say that and I loved it. Free 99. Come on, check it out. Go and be a subscriber. Hit that button. Hit the notification bell so you know when I put up videos. So guys, thank you for the love and support. Remember to love hard, laugh often, and live in the moments. Smooches.